Guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. So if it's your first time here, is a girl Chinny. So in today's video I want to quickly share with you guys the items that I got from Temu. So if you're interested and you really want to see what I got from Temu, then keep watching. Oh my god guys, I am so excited. Like, I don't even know how this happened, but it just happened. I recently, no, not recently, at least months back, I found this Temu and I was like, so interesting, and I see the things they have. Like, this is the package here. Okay, I got almost or more than 26 items. Others are still coming. Okay, so but this came first, the other ones are still in transit. So I was like, let me even give them a try. Like, this is my very first time in buying things from Temu, and I'm so excited that it's just barely, last week I placed the order, but it just arrived this week. I'm so excited. No tax payments, no extra payment after you paid. Like, if you order a lot of things in Temu, the same day, okay, the same day, they are going to be shipped all together, like in one place. They are going to be packed all together. Like, I made 3 different orders, and all were packed in the same package, which is amazing. Like, you know the joy you have when everything comes at once. Not you are expecting one today, tomorrow you're expecting one. So the other one that is coming, that's still in transit, is actually not that, it's something big. Okay, it's very big, so it cannot contain inside there. That's why it's separate from this. If it was items, it would have been in this bag, but that's a very big item, so that's why it's separate. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead to share with you guys the things that I got, the beautiful things that I got from this Temu. Oh my god, I don't know why I call it Shemu, or because I'm just addicted to Shane. I'm saying Shemu. Maybe I'm the one that's gonna open the app Shemu in future, but not now. That's Temu, not Shemu. All right, let's go ahead to the unboxing. So let me go ahead. Like I said, I always forget to carry scissors. I don't know the year, like any year that I start taking scissors with me whenever I'm unboxing, I think that's the year I've grown up. But for now, I'm still a child. So this is the nylon. I'm gonna go ahead to tear it up like this. I got a lot of things. So I actually got so many items in this holidays, and you guys know, in this holidays my kids will be at home and I need to bake a lot of things. Like, when I say a lot of things, I mean so much. There's so much to bake to keep them busy, for them not to feel like, you know, lonely, also something like that. So most of the things are actually for baking. And yeah, my god, there's so many solo tape here. I think I'll manage this portion. I'll manage this portion that I just opened. Okay guys, so here I have my container. You guys can see the container here. So it's actually a container for putting foods, like, you know, storing foods or fruits. So it depends on which one you want to store. So I have the container. It's 10 pieces inside, and this is how deep it is. It's fine. This is how deep it is. Okay, I got it 10 pieces though, but in the picture is very big. It's, I don't know if it's zoomed or whatever, but by men looking here, you will see that it's medium size. But anyways, that would be nice. And now you can actually use it for kids. Maybe you prepare something for your kids, you can use this to put things for them for school lunch. So it means you can use it for so many things. So later I got this here. This is electric brush. That's electric brush that I got from Temu, and this is how it looks like. You put your toothpaste here, and you press this thing. I think you need to put the battery in also, so but I don't really know how it works. There is two extra brushes in case this one got spoiled, then you'll be able to use this one. So one is still inside though. That's what I got. So moving over to the next order. I've never baked bread in my life, so I really want to start it in this holiday. For that reason, I got this small bread pan. Okay, so it's kind of the things like, when you finish cutting the doughs, you put them in there and use it to bake a bread for your family for this holiday. So I want to start doing that. I want to start baking for my family. So my kids have been requesting donuts. So I actually got this for donuts. This here, you can use it to be pressing the donuts inside the frying oils or whatever. Then again, I have this. What is this? Now when you buy a lot of things, you don't even know the things that you bought. Oh, that. This is also the same brush like the one I got previously. So I got it too for my girls. Okay. Then I got this. What is this? This is a bag. That was the reason I bought this. This is how the bag is. It's just kind of a traveling bag. If you look at this picture, you see how it looks like. Okay, you can use it to pack some things in there, and it's just kind of something you use and carry things when you are going out with you. But the bag is black. I bought it black. Okay, because I don't want to buy. It's not that it doesn't have other colors. There's still other colors, but I just like to get it black because black color doesn't select, and black is something that when you are still going out, you can still carry it along with you, and you won't, it won't be out like Omampo. KK, how did they say this? It won't be out of fashion. Is that how they say it? Out of fashion. So this is how it looks like. Very nice bag. It's very good. So I got that. And the next box I got this. This is actually mixer. Yeah, hand mixture. So this is hand mixture. If it is so, it's kind of something you wanna mix cafe and mix cafe together. Then you put battery inside, press it, and it will start mixing by itself, which is amazing. For example, I make tea for my kids. I'll use it to mix it, both the tea and the chocolate, to be very, very sure that it's well mixed together. So it's not something that I'll use the spoon, and at the end the milk will be different, the chocolate would be different. So yeah. The next up, I got this hair pack. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm gonna use this for my girls' hair in this holiday season because I actually did their hair in 1st of November. So this month I'm not gonna make their hair. So I'll do their hair in January. So I'll use this to pack their hair. You guys see how beautiful this is. So actually this is not expensive in Temu. It's very, very affordable to compare with other applications. So over here I have this is for a washing machine, where you put the side by side of the washing machine to avoid it moving up and down. Okay, so over here I have this holder. Is used it to hold then something at the end so that you'll be able to slice it, so that when you are holding it with your hand, you don't need to cut your hand. So this is what this represents. Okay, next up I have this. Actually, this is a school bag though. It's a school bag. It's a mini school bag that I got for my little girl. That's so that they will be carrying along if they are going to catechism, if they finish school, they want to carry a little bag, because sometimes, most times, not sometimes, when they are in holiday or they're like, for example, in this their holiday, they always request small bag instead of school bag, so that's why I got this. They actually have, but they are telling me that that one is kind of school bag, so I have to get this. And it's too safe. I have to get this. This is so beautiful. Let me even open it and show you guys. And the good part of it is that it's very, very affordable. I'll fix the hands by myself. Very affordable. This is actually a fit, a match for my little girl here. So I actually like the color though. It's a it's a match for my girl. So you use this to separate the egg white and yolk. Use this because you put the egg inside, the egg white will come out, the yolk will be in. So the next one is bead for packing your kids' hair. And yeah, over here I have garbage slicer that I can use to slice the garbage without the stress of using my knife to cut it. You get it? If you don't get it, you go to cut. So over here I have this razor blade. This is actually when you finish, you know, doing the dough, then use it to slice it, give it a slice before baking the bread. So here I have another kind of hair packer again for my girls. So over here I have avocado slicer because I'm a fan of avocado. I love avocado so much, from the little till the date. So use this to slice avocado. It's 3-in-1, okay? You can use it to cut it around and use this to put it inside and bring all of them out. So over here I have ribbons. I got these ribbons for my girls. And here I have this this is what do they call it again? Garlic cutter. This is garlic cutter. Very nice. And you know, when you are not in the mood to use your hand to slice everything, you can actually put it in here and just blend it immediately. Oh yeah, of course. Over here I have this rice washer. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. I have this rice washer that I can easily wash, put rice inside, wash it, and pour the water away from here, so that with this it will save you much time than to waste your rice, like when your rice will be falling inside the sink. This here will be a lifesaver. And over here I have this ice cream maker. So this here is what you put different types of fruits, you blend until then when you finish, you put it inside the freezer, and as well bring it out, it will become ice cream immediately. So, and of course this one here is another school bag that I bought. Remember I told you guys I bought it too, but this is exactly school bag. This is a school bag because in this school bag it has pencil, things for pencil, and yeah, this is how it actually looks like. Okay, so it has a pencil pack, and this is the front, the back. So cute. This is for my elder daughter. Oh yeah, when you do doors, so you have to cut it. So going ahead to cut it with your knife is so stressful. So the thing I did was to get this door cut. So with this door cutter, it will be easy for me to cut my breads, cut whatever I'm doing, just, you know, cut all of them. So easy. And of course guys, so here I have this is kind of table mat that I can place on the table for knitting my door, and this is amazing. So I got this is the biggest inches, I think 60 by 40. This is it. Perfect. And yeah, that's basically it all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. These are the things that I got from Temu, and I have other one that is still coming. So if you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe right there and give it a thumbs up. Of course, I will see you all in my unboxing video again. Bye guys.